Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So in this video we're gonna learn about for loop and break concept in Java programming. So at first I would like to say about the syntax of the for loop. So without any further delay, let's get into it. So in for loop, for statement 1 semicolon, statement 2 semicolon, and statement 3. So we need to give 3 statements inside the for loop. So it's completely like it's not like Python programming. In Java we need to give 3 statements here itself. So I will explain what kind of statements they are. Statement 1 would be declaring variable. So statement 1, that would be equals to declaring variable, and after declaring a variable you just need to give semicolon, and then statement 2 would be it's like a condition. Statement 2 is equals to condition. So what kind of a condition? I would like to explain this through an example. If I say in this manner, you would get confused. So after statement 2 you just give a semicolon, and statement 3, that would be adding or subtracting. Yeah, so this is the general syntax for the for loop. So I'll give you an example. So what is a statement 1? Statement 1 would be declaring a variable, right? So x equals to 10. So the x is a variable name and 10 is an integer type, right? So in Java we need to declare that variable x has an integer type before itself. So int x is equals to 10. So we need to assign what kind of a type we are gonna take about for the variable, whether we are taking float or integer or a string type. So after writing the type itself, we need to declare a variable and store a data in that. So this is our first statement, and second statement would be the condition, right? So x is less than or equal to 20. This is our second statement, and third statement would be x equals to x plus 1. So by this term, we don't use this terminology in Java, so just ignore that and write x plus s. Yeah, so integer value is 10 at initially. In each loop x will be added plus 1 until or unless it is less than or equal to 20. So I hope you got the logic. So this is the syntax for the for loop, and without any further delay, let's get into today's question. Yeah, what is the output of the below code? So I'll type the code, you just watch that carefully. At first I'll declare the class. So as you guys know that these two lines are very much important in Java programming. So without these two lines, a machine cannot understand the code. So it shows an error without these two lines. Yeah, initially I tried without writing this code, so I got this error. So please do not forget to write these two lines. And next comes to for loop. I'll just zoom it. Yeah. You guys remember the three statements, right? At first statement we need to declare a variable. So I would like to take an integer type, so int, and my variable would be I, which would be equals to 0. And after this semicolon and condition I, and we need to add it for every row. So I plus plus, and then curly bracket. Yeah, so this is a syntax for the for loop, and then we need to print this system dot out dot print, okay, v code, and after this you just break. So we need to give a semicolon here as they are statements. Yeah, just let's run this code. I'll just zoom out this. Yeah, see, we got an error here. So I have said you guys that statement 2 should be a condition, right? But here I haven't given any condition, I just left it by saying in just one, right? So we just need to give a condition there, whether it would be like I is less than or equals to 10 or whatever it may be, but the condition must be a boolean value. The boolean means a true or false. The statement should be true or it should be a false, but you just need to give a proper condition here rather than writing an integer value like 1 or 0 or 20. So statement 2 should be a particular and valid condition. So I'll just assign I is less than or equal to 10 and let's run the code. Will I get weak code or other error? Let's see that. So execute. See, we got weak code as I commanded it. So just be careful while writing the statements. First statement should be declaring a variable, second statement should be the condition of the variable, and third should be addition or the subtraction of the variable. So this break statement will be stopping the loop here itself until or unless the condition is satisfied. So that's it for this video, and let's meet in another video, guys. Thank you.